Welcome to Peer Pressure Liam. Today I'm going to be doing the cinnamon challenge, but with a twist. Pepper spray. So there's not been a video in a long time. I've been busy and I've not had a camera, so I got a new camera right there. This is going to be horrible, but here we go.
I can't see.
Come with me, Liam. Come with me. Come with me. Upstairs. Into the bathroom. Into the bathroom, Liam. Into the bathroom. Shower.
That was the most stupid thing I've ever done in my life. If anyone's got pepper spray, do not spray it in your face because it is stupid. I thought I was going to die. I couldn't breathe. And I've made a mess of the living room. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more stupid videos. If you've got any suggestions for what you think I should do next, leave a comment down there. I'll see you sometime in the future. Bye.